Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a travel vlog and we are going to Jummapatti near Matheran, and it's a beautiful waterfall stop. A lovely one. Hey, this is my bag and it's got all essential things, that is sanitizer, mask, my house keys, my car keys. I make sure I take everything that is important. Just before stepping out of the house, I just put off all the lights. I put off the cylinder as well. Save energy. And now I have to put my sports shoes. I'm holding my mobile in the left hand. I'm trying to wear my shoes from the right hand. And it's quite bad to balance like this. But I think it's done. Yo! Let's call for the lift now. We'll just call the lift and the lift is here. Actually, I'm having a work in between. The battery to my two-wheeler, that is my bike, is almost finished. So I want a Amaron battery for my bike. And I know it's quite a difficult task in the lockdown, but I will make sure I get it. There is a Safai Abhiyan going on in the building. And my car is waiting for me. Yes, let's go to Jummapatti. Breathing without the mask, yo. Get set, go. Temperature checking in our society. And we are on the way to Jummapatti. Actually, I am not going first time to Matheran. I had been to Matheran. I was at that time very young. I had been with my family and with a friend's family. And that was actually the first time when I had discovered that mini train, which took almost 5 hours from Nerel to Matheran. That was the first time I had gone through a so big mountainous region and discovered it moment by moment from that mini train. And almost in 5 hours, it was a very adventurous journey and it was an amazing experience. For that age, it was an awesome thing and it is like a cherishable memory for me, and I'm going to never forget that journey and that trip. There is almost like no traffic over the road, but I think there are two bikers. Yes, but I can see there are two bikers. They must be planning to go somewhere. It looks mesmerizing when someone is tied up to the bike, full-fledged going on a road trip. I really miss those things. I really miss my bike and going on a road trip, and I'll definitely going to catch it up. Going on a road trip, that too driving your own bike, is also a good therapy. We are on the Pune Express Highway since we have to take this route and we have to go to Matheran via Karjat. We are on the Karjat Matheran road now. Oh, is it a mini Bollywood here? I think it's something like a film studio, or oh, is it? I guess it's Amitabh Bachchan carved on the stone, and there are many more actors also. ND's Film World. Amazing. This is something very huge that I have never seen by going on road. I don't know what is to be called, but loaded on this truck. And now we are 30 minutes away from the ND studio and we have just arrived on Jummapatti railway station. I'm just feeling the wind, the nature, the silence. I'm so happy to be here. And it's a mind-blowing view at this point, and I can see it's a beautiful nature's point, very much far from the hush of the city. Silence, peace, no crowd, amazing. Moving to the Jummapatti waterfall location now. This is my first time here, and guys, there is no internet or no GPS here to help you out. You have to find this location on your own. You have to just come to the route upward from the Jummapatti railway station, and finally I have found it and it is in front of me, and this is the place where the waterfall comes in the monsoon, but now it's a drought condition here. But yo, we'll be back in the monsoon. I don't know why, but I'm missing that movie, that Lagan movie, the song, that Ghananana, when the villagers are like very much desperate for the rain to come and they sing a song. I'm exactly feeling like those villagers who are waiting for the rain, because I want to see the waterfall falling from up to the down in the monsoon, and I just can't wait for it. Oh my god, I think it's a cow. I don't know how she has climbed up over the waterfall. I don't know these animals how they balance their body and go up. I really wish that government does something for these domestic animals. They get food and shelter and water at some respective place, and they don't have to wander here and there risking their life for food. And we should always take care of the animals, the stray dogs or the cows or anything that is surrounding in our environment. Awesome time spending here. It's an awesome picnic spot for a family, but I am extremely hungry now, and here I see there is no food station nearby, and I have actually forgot to bring anything to eat, and I am drastically hungry. If you are visiting this place, make sure you are bringing something to eat of your own choice, like McDonald's, KFC, pizza, Domino's or anything. And we are going back now. That's all in this video. Guys, do like, comment and subscribe my channel. Take care and keep environment